Okay, welcome. This is Romualdo. I'm showing you page layout in Microsoft Office Word 2010. Sometimes when you work in a text document, the regular 8.5 by 11 portrait orientation, margins and columns, it is not to be adequate for your trans, so you're gonna have to edit your page layout. So in order to do that, you're gonna click first the page layout tab. You go and say you want to change the orientation. You go here, page setup orientation. Choose whether it's portrait or landscape. Say want to change the size of your document. You click up here and you can see there's a lot of presets. Let's say you can choose from envelope, letter, and if you like to go more in paper sizes, and you can fake your margins in here. You can also fade the layout and specify the width and the height of your document. And let's go in formatting the margins, which is the edge of your paper and where your text will be. Go to the margins, and from here you can choose a bunch of choices, or you can specify custom margins. Let's go back to the page setup dialog window. Next, you can specify the number of columns you're gonna use. Say if you are doing for print like newspaper or something, and like that you set 2 columns here, that. Now, in addition to your margin orientation size and all of that, there are a lot of different things you can do in the page layout tab, like for example adding a watermark. You say you have a confidential, that's just a preset, but you can go in here and add a custom watermark. You can add a picture and you can scale it however large you like it. You can wash out, which would make it transparent, or you can in a text watermark, which you can specify the text, the font, the size, the color, and the layout, whether it's diagonal or horizontal. And add a page color here, any kind you can choose, but I choose green because it is my favorite color. And you can choose page borders for your pages, and you can specify your indenting and your spacing between paragraphs and your align. And there's a lot of features you can find here in the page layout tab that you can feel free to play around and say in the line breaks, section breaks, and others, and themes that you can specify in order for you to format and make it look as good as possible that can. So that's all. Thanks again for listening and joining me here in modifying a page layout tutorial. Good night.